Hello, guys. I'm thinking chicken, potatoes, carrots, a sauce that has cheese in it, butter. Sounds good, right? Let's make it. Ready to make this? Let's go. I'm going to take the chicken, which I cut up into little, kind of like little cubes, and I'm going to it's about two nice size, ¿cómo se dice eso? Uh, um, breast. Okay, two breasts. And I just cut them into like little, a little bigger than bite-sized pieces. All right. I also have some potatoes, which are the Yukon gold ones. And I just took those and cut them up into little chunks too. I did about 4 of them, 5 of them, more or less around there. Okay, I'm gonna put them right on top. And now, Jenna's gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. Oh, you don't want to add that part? Just a little salt and pepper over it. And I'm gonna go get my pepper, which I forgot. And then I'm gonna set this aside, and I'll show you what we're gonna do before we finish with this. Another thing I forgot to mention, turn on your oven, preheat it to about 350, okay? I'm gonna set this aside, like I said. I also changed the camera so you can actually see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to mix things up together. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take, you should use chicken stock, okay? But I didn't have chicken bouillon, so I used beef, and it works with my soup. So I live dangerously. I'm going to try that again. And I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of flour, which I'm going to mix up nice. And break up the flour a little bit into there. It's going to help to thicken the sauce some. Okay, make sure that you break it up nice. You can also do it when you're doing that, but you kind of make like a little, almost like a little roux with that. I'm going to add to this. Oh, before I do that, I'm sorry. I cut up three of the carrots and I cut them in the size that my grandkids can pull out if they want. So I'm going to mix that. Instead of carrots, I was thinking that if you happen to have some butternut squash that you just cut up, not cooked yet, and you throw that in there to cook with it, I thought that would work too, and that would work really, give it kind of a nice, really nice flavor. I'm going to put a whole can. Now, you can actually make this. I haven't made it yet. But you can add a whole can of cream of chicken soup. You can add more vegetables if you want to. If you wanted to add celery. I wanted to make it real simple. Plus my grandchildren aren't crazy about veggies, so I don't always put as many into that. I figured the carrots they can pull out. Okay, mix that up. And then I'm also going to mix that up good. I'm going to add some cheese. This is, there's a little bit left also of the mozzarella, but it's mostly cheddar. It's probably about 1.5 cups. I don't think it's quite 2 cups. Okay. And mix that up good. And I'm going to add some salt to that. Not too much because the broth has it. A little bit of pepper. Okay. Some parsley. I omitted onions, so you might want to put some onions in there, okay? This is, so instead of using onions, I got the little minced onion, which will give it the same little flavor. And I kind of eyeball what I'm putting in there. It's a nice little sauce. And the next thing I'm going to put is about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This is not a light recipe, so FYI. And I'm hoping that it really thickens up. It looks like it's going to thicken up while it's cooking. So I'm going to also put, the next thing I'm going to put is some, not a lot. I'm going to have all of this in the description, okay? I'm going to put some paprika. If you have fresh parsley, you can use that. Oh, and I almost forgot that. So that looks, it has beautiful color to it. It's going to be some garlic. Almost forgot to add that. Not like me. And set this aside, mix that up really nice. And I'm going to bring back the chicken, which I'm going to give a little bit of stir because the chicken's all the way at the bottom. So mix up everything real good. With the potatoes, there's a lot of potatoes in there. So, and this is a nice sized pan, as you can tell. I'm going to take this and put it right over. Sauce is going to help everything to cook too. It's really nice looking dish. Oh, and the cheese is going to melt, so it'll be nice. And over all that, I'm going to put some, I always make this ahead of time. I think I've mentioned that in the past. I make some bacon and I will freeze it so that I can use it in things like this. You should put it in the pan rather than on the table. And I want to put pretty much, oh, it's really a beautiful plate. I don't know if you can see it, but you'll see it when I photograph it. Okay, so it's all set to go. I'm going to put this baby into the oven at 350, and then we're going to come back and look at it. Okay, so it cooked for about an hour. I cooked it for about an hour, and then I added 10 minutes just because. Now, your oven may work a little bit different. It is really nice and creamy, but it's not as thick. So I would probably put it, well, not today, but I would put it like over butter noodles or even rice. It would be really nice over. Has a really nice flavor. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make some homemade biscuits, and we could just sop up the sauce a little bit. The sauce is delicious. You taste the butter and the cheese. Really very comfort foodie. Mushrooms would have gone nice, but I put mushrooms. I want to put mushrooms in everything. My husband would be like, please no. Anyway, I hope that you try it. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you soon.